So how do you get started? For you. Now, it's all these are very good opportunities, right? They are amazing opportunities, but it's not a easy plug and play. You have to actually think through your business. Like this guy said, I fix it said. He said that woman who is selling tomatoes, she can she can make her business on chain if she wants, but the packaging has some cost. It might not be physical cost. It might be you rethinking your processes for your business. It might be you expanding your vision to saying, okay, beyond just serving people in Nigeria, she also wants to serve people outside the country. Packaging her business could be, okay, I want to increase the kind of orders, the amount of people that I'm serving to. So it's not as easy as he said it, oh, if she just packages it, she can come online. And that's why a lot of business are not on chain. It's the strategy works, but it takes some time to achieve. And if you are somebody who was just wanting to just come in because of the money, you might get disappointed when maybe the first time you try or your first proposal gets rejected or something, and they say, oh, go work on this, go work on this. So you have to actually understand that this is something that you would do, that you'd have to be intentional about. The first opportunity here is this, the cipher session that we have with Lisk blockchain. Now, if you are a business person, you might need to partner with a developer. Look for people that you could partner with to build with you, because one of the success of you going through this will be that you come out with a product that people can use even outside the shores of Nigeria, or at least outside the shores of your city. So the first one is this cipher session that we have with Lisk. I'm going to be teaching people, developers most likely, how to build using this framework, OP Stack. So you're basically going to build on Lisk blockchain with this. It's a 2 month program. The idea of the 2 month program is, what's that thing that you say you want to build? Maybe you already have an existing business. If you already have an existing business, we can help you pair up with developers that can build it on Lisk for you. And then this product that you have built would enter in for a hackathon and get funding. But ideally, after here, if your product is ready, you come into this incubator program. It's for only African businesses. That's what this incubator program is for. Like I said, African incubator program with Lisk. So let's say you've gone through the 2 months program here with your product. It's now ready. Maybe you won a hackathon, maybe like $4,000 or $5,000 from the hackathon. The next thing is to get here. Why? Who can tell me why you need to get into an incubator program? Who knows why? Exactly. Thank you. That's true. It's not enough to just build something. What about the marketing aspect of it? Those are some of the things that this incubator program would help you. Apart from building the product, you need to know how to market it, because now you are bringing your business on chain. There is on chain language. There's where three people think. You have to put in some sort of programs to your product to usually get users. That's what happens here. Now, it's a win-win, because if you already have something you're doing in Web 2, what you are just doing is upscaling to Web 3. It's not going to stop the Web 2 business or shut it down and say, oh, let me focus on this. In fact, if you do that, you probably might not even get through. The idea is to integrate Web 3, not to shut down your normal processes. All right, now this is the other one. There's a grant program that they have. Usually, this wave one is for, I think if you go to lisk.com, then scroll down to grants. Just go here, scroll down to grants. If you already have a product that you were building, or that it's not yet strong, but you have a plan for it, if you apply with your proposal, you will probably get, I think the first stage is $4,000. You just apply with your proposal, show that you are building this, but you want to take it up a notch. You will get the first stage $4,000. That's for the grant program. Then the next stage, if you already have a business that is doing well, maybe it's a Web2 business, and then you want to bring it on chain, and maybe you have an MVP. MVP means something that you've built just so people can see how it works. It's called minimal viable product. Something that you've built just so people can see how it works. That one, if you have something like that that's already working, I think it's from 20K, yeah, from 20K upwards. Then the last one, which is $100,000, if you already have users.
One
Yeah,
question.
second question.
Based on the
Next one.
incubatorship, yeah, no, just the slide.
Oh, sorry.
That slide. Sorry. So let's say you were qualified, right, to join the incubator program. So is it like after you finish building your after you finish building your product and everything, they fund you?
Yes.
Would they have like have a percentage
No,
or
no, no.
commission
It's for grants.
just for grants?
Yes, that's what
Wow.
it's for. Yes, there's the grant aspect. There's also the aspect where VCs would come and look at your product and say,
Products.
okay, I'm going to give you XYZ amount of money and I want you to fund it. Oh, sorry, I want to fund it. Give me equity. So there's the grant aspect. There's also the VC aspect
Wow.
of it. But this one is it's majorly grants.
All right. Thank you.
That all.
Yeah, that's all.
All right. Anybody has any question? Okay. So now, okay, we've talked about this. All right. So this aspect is actually for developers.